Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys that Watch Dogs 2 is free to keep and free to play till 24th September 2020 up till 8:30 p.m. So that means you can grab your copy and keep it forever and play it forever till that date, which is of 24th September. So make sure that you guys get your copies as soon as possible because it's one of the best games which have ever released by Ubisoft. So don't miss out. This is the second time that Ubisoft have given this game away for free on Epic Game Store. So if in case you guys missed out in the first time, make sure that you guys don't miss out this time. That's why I was very adamant to bring this news out to you guys. So I'll give a direct link to the store, Epic Game Store, on which this game is free to keep and free to play. So make sure that you guys make your account over there. I have already made an account. So you can go down there and then you can click on this link which says get, and it will be added to your game library. So talking more about it, let me show you the recommended and minimum settings. As you guys can see, it requires 6 GB of RAM minimum to play a nice gameplay, and 8 GB is recommended. And of course, it's a very AAA kindish of game, and it's a benchmark game when it was released in 2016. So that's why the recommendations are very high. But if you have a decent laptop with a nice or like average graphic card, then also you will be able to play this game. So make sure that you guys go and get the copies. So let me show you how to grab it from Epic Store. So if you have the Epic Games Launcher, just go to the store and you will be able to see by scrolling down that there are a section of free games which are given away for free. So as you guys can see, Watch Dogs 2 is there and you guys can claim it, and it's free now up till September 24th, 8:30 p.m. And the bonus point here would be that Football Manager 2020 is also given away on for free on Epic Game Stores. So make sure that you guys go and check it out. You can claim this game also. It's a very nice game. I have not played this. I have not played Watch Dog 2 either, but I've played Watch Dog once. That's why I know this game is better than Watch Dog 1, and I'm going to play this game very soon because I was not having the money to buy it. So make sure that you guys click here, click continue because of course it is a 18 plus game. Then go down the same procedure and just click on get. You don't need to do it on both the browser or the Epic game browser. You can just do it once either on the Epic Games Launcher or on your account on Epic Store using the Google Chrome. It's not an issue. So make sure that you guys do follow me, and just as you guys can see, it is worth 41 to 42 US dollars approximately, which is very high for a game. So just they're giving it for free. So don't lose out on this occasion. And as you guys can see, it is added to my library. I'll make sure that I saw you see like I show you guys how it is done. So it is done and it's there in my library. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel for all of these kind of news. Thank you so much and watch you guys in the next video.